Why I'm just asking you, like you are able to understand now, things which
Yes, sir. I'm able.
okay. Don't take any stress, don't take any burden. Clear again, I'm saying. Slowly, moving. You just focus on your board studies. Classes, I will take today, and next session, I will take your session, okay? Maybe on Sunday. 15 Feb, I think your exam. Clear? On
Yes,
15. Then you focus more on your board studies. In between board exam, I will not take any class. Okay, feel free, give your board examination as best as possible. Don't take pressure for your board. Again, I'm saying board is just a part of life. Clear your exam. It's not like everything. Anyway, you have to face competitive exam. Focus on that. We are going smoothly. We are not in a hurry. Most of the mechanics portion we have finished. Now onwards, things will be very easy and we will move on. Mechanics part, various types of question we have solved. After completion of board examination, slowly revise the previous portion and try to solve numericals. I will share DPPs, whatever I'm having. Okay. You have to, from starting, you have to solve. Clear? And again, I'm saying physics,
yes, sir.
take any stress. Clear? Entire portion of your 11th class till I think 11th you have enough time for till next Jan. Okay, 2026. Before 2026 we will finish. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
and practice as much as possible. Did you see the G means? You didn't see? I just want to tell. In J means they will ask very good level of question. And from my notes, I'm telling today only. From my notes, you will find the concept in your exam. In your J exam, you will find the question from my notes itself. I'm saying today only. So focus on notes that don't go anywhere. And one book I just want to tell, S.C. Verma. Are you following? I know you are following. Silently read the theory
Yes,
from there and some numerical illustration is there, like some solved numericals. You have to solve. Slowly move. Okay. And focus on board study. Keep smiling. Don't take any tension. Again, I'm saying I'm helping you as much as possible. And with you in physics, I will help you and any type of help. And now one thing, this is just for